So in today's lesson, we're going to be learning the classic riff from Smells Like Teen Spirit by Nirvana. Now this is a slightly easier version and just focuses in on playing single notes on the ukulele, moving between the E string and the A strings. It's a great one if you're a beginner, just picking up a few riffs. So we're starting off with the first fret of the E string. I'm going to play that 3 times. Then we go down to the A string, I'm going to play this twice. Now we're going to move across to the 4th fret of the E string, play that 3 times, and then the A string fret 4 twice. So really the pattern moves down a string, then it moves across, and then down a string again. So we start off on fret 1, move down, 4th fret, move down. Okay, in terms of the right hand, you could play this with a plectrum. You could just use your thumb if you want to. What I'm doing here is using my thumb for the E string and then picking with the first finger on the A string. So it just kind of spreads the work between the few fingers. Okay, give this one a go at home and let us know how you get on. We really hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more about the ukulele, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. You can also take the next step on your ukulele quest with our fun method book. The Ukulele Quest is available worldwide, and you can find a link to this in the description below.